Good evening, everyone. I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day today. I know I did. So I came on this site to, show you guys how it works. I created this site because I wanted you guys to be able to get to my websites. Not only that, but be able to, get to my social media accounts. Okay. So right here on the left hand side, we have my $35 one up my $35 business. We have earn $100 to $500 commissions. Remember, I said that in the previous video. If you guys are interested in earning $100, okay, then I will check out my website. Now over here on the left. On the right, we have follow me on Facebook, we have follow me on YouTube, and follow me on Twitter. This takes you to my Facebook fan page. This takes you to my new YouTube channel. It's called Your Financial Freedom Matters. This takes you to Your Financial Freedom 2 on Instagram, okay? So you guys can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram if you like. Now, when you guys come on this site and you guys let's say you're interested in joining my $35 business. This business is for called $25 one up. The reason why it says my $35 one up business is because when you come onto $25 one up, you're going to pay a $10 hosting fee that pays for everything in your back. If you decide to come in, I'm just going to be upfront with you. There is a price range to this, but I'm going to tell you why it's called that. And you're going to learn all that in this video. See this video right here? You're going to watch this video. It's 6 minutes and 15 seconds. And if you decide to join, you can join, okay? It is $35 altogether to join the gold level. Okay. Now I will come on here and make another video about $25 one up probably tomorrow because um, this is the last video I'm gonna post up for tonight because I'm kind of want to go. So. But yeah, that is what that leads to. It leads to the $25 one up opportunity. This is for Abundance Network. So if you guys are interested in not only learning how to market a phone number and getting paid for your leads, this is the thing with Abundance Network, you get paid for even if someone calls a number and they don't purchase anything, for entering their email address, you get paid for that lead. Okay? Now, if they decide they want to go further, you can make up to $100 to $500 commissions because we have the reseller and the master reseller that where you can at the reseller you have the reseller rights to resell the product and earn $100 commissions, and the master reseller you're able to earn $500 commissions. Let me take you there. This just takes you to a website. Who else wants a robot to make sales for them? Meet Ava, a text messaging robot that makes you money. Now, all you have to do is if you want to learn more, you just enter your email address, a real email address, you guys. Don't sit here and do some childish stuff. No one's trying to steal your information, okay? You can easily opt out if you do not want to be contacted anymore. That's another note something you need to know. You can easily opt out of there, opt out. If you don't want to be contacted no more, you have the ability to do that, okay? But if you're serious about this and you want to learn more, enter a valid email address that you could be contacted at. So, because this is a text messaging robot, she's going to send you a message through your phone. Okay, so make sure you enter the correct information so Ava can send you the correct information back. So make sure you guys sign up with the correct complete phone number, and so Ava is an automatic. She's a sales robot that makes sales for you. Okay, that's who Ava is. Okay, so she's a text messaging robot that makes you money. How would you guys like for any business you're trying to start to be making money for you instead of you making money for it? How would you guys like that? I know I would. I mean, I've always looked for automation, not because I'm lazy, but because what if I'm not home? What if I have to go out? You always have to go out and take care of stuff. We're always busy doing other things, so why not have Ava, take care of the hard stuff for you, do all the promoting and all that for you, and closing the sales for you. That way, when you come back, I don't know how about you guys, but I do know that I'd love to come home and see $100 in my account because somebody decided to make a decision and join while I was gone. Okay? So Ava does all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to do nothing but market the phone number. There is a website you will get, like a URL. You guys can send them to this exact same page here, and if they enter their email, Ava will do the rest. They enter their email and they click on more info. Ava's gonna take over from there, and you don't have to do anything. Now, you don't want to stop referring people to Ava because nothing's guaranteed. Okay, so you guys want to make sure that you're consistently promoting. Okay, and that's with any business. Abundance Network is an amazing opportunity. You really should do your research on it, before taking my word for it. Okay, so that is Abundance Network, and it says earn $100 to $500 commissions. If you guys are interested in that, this is what you would click on. And if you're interested in 25 one up, that's this one right here, and you'll be able to watch the video and make an informed decision. Over here on the right hand side, you guys can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. And I have to repeat this because not a lot of people, understand what I mean when I say that. Okay. I'm actually missing. There's one. I'm going to be adding another business opportunity on here that I know you guys are going to love. You actually will be able to get paid every time someone purchases a membership of the product. I can't tell you what it is. I'm going to talk to you guys about it once I add it, but I'll be adding it shortly. But so far we have what we have. $25 one up is a great opportunity because it's very inexpensive to come in at. Once you pay for your $10 hosting fee and your $25, that's $35, and that's a very low startup cost, okay? And it's a one-time fee. You guys do not have to worry about any hidden fees or none of that. If you are interested in learning more about that, it is a digital marketing training platform where you have training videos that teach you how to make money online or how to start up your own online business. And not only that, you can actually promote your business with $25 one up, and you can promote it, or you can allow Ava to promote your business for you. So you have options, you guys. If you have a different business, you can either do promote it with $25 one up or promote it with Abundance Network. Okay, so like I said, stay tuned for the other opportunity I'm going to add right here, so you guys can just stay up to date on what I'm doing. Okay, if you guys want to get in contact with me, click on this. Follow me on Facebook. I have a Facebook, a YouTube, and a Twitter. I mean, an Instagram. I'm sorry, I said Twitter. I don't even use my Twitter account no more. But anyways, Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, I'm getting used to Instagram right now. It's a little hectic, but I'm trying. You got to give me credit for trying. So, anyways, just understand how this website's going to work. Over here on the left hand side, we have my $35 one up business. This is basically $25 one up. Very inexpensive to join. It is a digital marketing training platform that helps you learn how to market on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And it's really great training, amazing. I just finished the Instagram training, and I was blown away because I never knew any of that stuff. So it's good to have trainings that can help you guys market your business. For those of you that don't want to go out and talk about it. Now with Abundance Network, all you're doing is sharing a phone number, and if you don't believe me, go to this click on this link when you come to my website. I'm gonna leave it in the description below, and go there and then enter your email, and you'll see for yourself. You guys can come in at the reseller level, or come in at the master reseller level, which means with the reseller you're paying $150 one time, and then I believe it's a $50 fee per year, which is not bad. So you're paying 100 in total is $155, I believe. And then you can join the $500 level with $500. So that's even better. And also, forgot to mention, with $25 one up, you start off with the gold level, which is $25, and you can go all the way up to the $1,000 level, which is the elite. Elite is $1,000 level where you can make $1,000 commissions. It's a one-time fee. You purchase it and you're set for life. Okay. So I hope this video helped you guys understand not only how to find me, but how to navigate on my website. And that's basically it for this video. I would like for you to like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a video. We'll see you in the next video.